Evolution of computing device. Here in this slide, I will explain history of the computing device and which year which machine had invented, right? So first 500 BC, that time abacus was invented. For which purpose? That is arithmetic calculation, simple arithmetic calculation. Just like see the abacus here in the simple one single digit, we can add it. And it is which type of devices? This is mechanical devices. Okay. Then afterwards 1614, that times John Napier has invented Napier bones. This is the Napier bones. You can see that here also 0 to 9 has written and 1 to 9 has written, and you can calculate it. Okay. Now come 1614. 1614, which machine is invented? That is Pascal line. Pascal line. Who has invented? Blaise Pascal. For addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by which purpose? Repeated calculation. Means this multiplication, just like suppose 2 into 5 equal to how much? 10. So I want to just multiply 2 into 5. So this 2 we can repeat it with the addition. 2 plus 2. How many times we will write? 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. When you will add it, then your answers will come exactly same. So multiplications we can use it through the addition. Division we will use it through the subtraction. Okay. So repeated calculations can do. This is the Pascal line machine. So from here you can check that like this is given. So here it will generate the digits. So this is the Pascal line. Who has invented? Blaise Pascal. Now 1834, this is the analytical engine. Who has invented? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. It is a mechanical computing device, and now also we are using the computer. So then Charles Babbage is given, that is for modern computer, and we are using this analytical engine in the modern computer. Okay, so it is which type of device? Mechanical computing device. Now come 1890, tabulating machine. Through the name you understand that tabulating. Tabulating is in the tabular format. Tabular format will store the data where? On the punch card. Where? On the punch card. Who has invented or developed? That is Hermann Hollerith. Hermann Hollerith has invented tabulating machine. Now 1937, Turing machine. One machine is there, Turing machine. Who was invented? That is Alan Turing. This is the general purpose programmable machine. Now see, first we are doing for the simple calculation, then addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the Pascal line we are doing at that time, but repeated calculations. Means we cannot directly use this symbols multiplication and division. Then afterwards what is that? Analytical engine machine has came to store the data. Okay. Then afterwards punch card, we store the data in the punch cards in the tabular format. Okay. In the tabular format we can store the data. Then Turing machines has given, Alan Turing has given to the Turing machine, that is for general purpose programmable machines, that is using for general purpose. And here also we are storing the data on the punch card only. Now afterwards in the 1940, first generation of computer started. So first generation of computer, which machine? It is vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes. Okay. So now, and this generation, okay, that and this generation storing the data and program were in the memory, not in the punch card. Okay. So punch card in the tabulating machine and Turing machine, they store the data on the punch card. Then first generation computer is storing the data and program in the vacuum tubes. Okay. So Advec, ENIAC, EdSec, unit-1, these are all the examples of first generation computer. Okay, who has given? That is John von Neumann has invented this computing device. Now comes second generation computer. Second generation computer, transistor. Transistor we are using, that means vacuum tube now replaced to the transistor. Okay, vacuum tube replaced to the transistor. And who developed? That is Bell Labs. Bell Labs is there. There it developed to the transistor. This is the second generation computer example. And era, if you will see that, 1956 to 1963. Now third generation computer, 1964 to 1971. Here they invented IC, means integrated circuits. Integrated circuits. See, these are the this is the example of integrated circuit. It is a silicon chip. Silicon chip. And here, whenever this chip has invented, that means integrated circuit has came. So that times computer size is reduced. Computer size is reduced. Okay. Before that, computers will occupy in the large room. Okay, because of this transistor and vacuum tubes. Now IC, whenever integrated circuit has came, so now computer size is reduced. Then afterward, fourth generation computer, 1971 to present, means onwards, it's going on. Okay, so here invented microprocessor. Now it is a portable computer, just like you can use it your laptop, tablet, also come to the portable computer, means easy to carry. Okay, before that it is difficult to carry the computer. Nowadays it is very easy to take it anywhere, so that's why it is called portable computer. And it's happened because of the microprocessor. Then fifth generation computer, it's present and beyond, it is going on. Okay, fifth generation computer, this is the AI and robots, artificial intelligence and robots. So see, nowadays many things just like ChatGPT has came. Through the AI you can make your projects. Even through the AI we can visit the website and we can see the real area. If you want to visit somewhere, but before you want to go there, that exact place, you want to just see that location of that place in the live location and like this. So through the AI it is possible. So this is the evolution of computing device. Through the abacus we came to the AI. Okay, it is the really very excitement periods we can tell that, and many scientists have developed or invented the milling machines, and then now we came in the AI generation. Alright, so we started from where? Abacus. Abacus, simple calculation, simply some arithmetic calculation, just like addition and subtraction. No addition, no multiplication, no division. Then Napier bones, who was given? John Napier has given. Then Pascaline, who was given? Blaise Pascal. That here is also repeated calculations through the addition and subtractions we can do it, multiplication and division. Then analytical engine, who was given? Charles Babbage has given. From here we started to the modern computer. Okay, then tabulating machine, who was given? Herman Hollerith. Here we are storing the data on the punch card. Through the analytical engine we started to store the data, means programming part started. Okay, here just like physically, and then we are doing that. Okay, but here we cannot store this data, but from the analytical engine we can store the data in the system itself, right? So analytical engine, then tabulating machine. Turing machine can solve any type of problem. Okay, any type of problem can solve by the Turing machine. So that's why it is called general purpose programmable machines. Who is given? Alan Turing. Then first generation to fifth generation started. And nowadays, which generation we are going on? Fourth and fifth. We are working here only. Okay.